Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can set an event, appointment or task in the OneCalendar app to repeat, so that it may be repeated in a specific frequency in your calendar. So let us begin. Alright guys, let me navigate to the desktop application of OneCalendar and let me apply this to an already created event. Let me go with this one here. But you can of course create a completely new one by clicking into that plus button, set the task or appointment, and after that, once you have been redirected to that menu on the left hand side, what you want to do guys is navigate to the repeat button. If you don't see it, it may be because the given event has already been created. So in this case here, what you need to do is, let me just create a new one by clicking into this button and then set an appointment, and you will see the repeat button here. So you may enable it, and then you may set the frequency like every week, every day, month or year. So you repeat it every week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. And the start date would be this Monday, which is May 4th. And yeah, that's basically it. You can set also an end date or the last date for the given frequency or repetition by choosing one of these options, but I will leave it at never, so that let me just disable and select Sunday, so that the given event doesn't gets repeated frequently without any ending date. So that's it guys. Don't forget to click into save here in top right, give your event a name here, and you may invite people by clicking into this button, share the invitation by clicking into that button. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.